Hello, I'm having problems with my car. My car won't start anymore, and I don't know why. Can you help me, please?
I'll run a diagnostic to understand the problem. Can you tell me what happened before your car wouldn't start?
I was driving on the highway yesterday, and my car started smoking a lot. Now it won't start at all.
Okay, this could be due to several reasons. The smoke could indicate a problem with the engine or transmission. I'll run a diagnostic to understand the nature of the problem. Can you leave me the keys to your car and wait in our waiting room while I work on it?
Sure, here are the keys.
Okay, I've finished the diagnostic. There are several issues that need to be repaired. I can give you a quote for the necessary repairs.
Okay, how much will it cost?
It depends on the necessary repairs. I can give you a detailed quote if you want.
Yes, please.
All right. I'll explain the different problems we've identified and the necessary repairs.
There, I've finished repairing your car. I'm going to perform a test drive to make sure everything works properly. There, your car is now repaired and ready to drive. I've also explained the maintenance measures to take to extend the life of your car. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact me.
Thank you very much for your help. I'm glad I chose your garage to repair my car.
Nice to see you again. Have a good day.
Thank you, have a good day too.